let's discuss about priority queue working using heapification. So priority queue is a data structure which always keep the highest priority element at the top so it can be served first, like 10 here. During deletion, priority queue deletes the top priority element, and after that it rearranges itself in a way that the second highest priority element gains the top spot. Similar rearrangements happen in insertion too. So let's see what happens under the hood. So priority queue is an array only, but we will be rearranging it in a heap form so that we can implement it efficiently. So heap is a full binary tree with a special property that the value of the parent node will always be greater than the value of child nodes. While coming to insertion in heap, the element we will be inserting will be first inserted at the last position. After that, we will be performing bottom to top heapification, in which we will be checking the value of current element and the parent node element. And if the current node element value is higher than parent node element, we will be swapping those values. And we will be continuing this till we get the valid heap. Coming to deletion in heap, on deletion, we will be deleting the top priority element. So first of all, we will be swapping the last position element and the top priority element. After that, we will be removing the top priority element. After that, we will be performing top to bottom heapification. In that, we will be checking the current node value with the child node value. If the child node value is greater than current node value, we will be swapping the positions of this, and we will be performing this till we get the valid heap. Coming to time complexities, for deletion and insertion, either we will be moving to top to bottom or bottom to top. So our time complexity will be equal to the height of the heap, which is log n. And for peaking, we just need to check the root element. So it will be O of 1.